So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today again in LeetCode series. So today we are going to solve this problem, jump game. So in this problem, we are given an integer array, nums. So we are initially positioned at the array's first index. Here you can see we are initially positioned at the array's first index. For and each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. It means this problem tells us that we are initially positioned at the array's first index and each element of this array represents how farthest we can jump. So now return true if you can reach the last index. That means if we can jump to the last index, then we have to return true, else false. So we are going to iterate in first example. So here you can see at in this array nums, we have elements as 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. That means here at first index, zeroth index, here is 2 as elements. It represents that we can jump two positions at once. And after that, 3 represents next we can jump next 3 steps. So in this process, if we reach to the last index, then we have to return true else false. So in this example, you can see, as you can see, at first element is 2. So jump one step from the index 0 to 1. That means 2. 0th index, 1 index. So 0 index to 1 index, we have to jump. So this is 2 position completed. Now at next, we have 3. So now we are currently at 3. That means we are currently at index 1. Uh, so now in next 3 steps we will go through this one and this 4. So ultimately we have reached to the last index. So in this question, in this example, we will return true, and in next example you can see this is 3. So we will jump at 0th index, 1 index and second index. We will reach at the second index. So after this we have 2. So after this we will go to uh, 4 0. We have 0. So ultimately we cannot reach to the last index because ultimately becomes 0. So it is impossible to reach the last index. So we will return false. So now I am going to code. So you must see. So firstly, I am going to create a variable which will indicate the maximum, reach, how maximum reach we have. So we will create max reach and we will initialize with 0. And after this, we will iterate through this array. We will iterate through a loop, uh, for loop, and I is equal to 0. We will initialize this and we will write a condition is nums dot size. After that, we will go to I plus plus, and in this for loop we will write a condition that if we will I greater than maximum reach, then we will return false. This lines number 6 is basically what I am going to explain. So if I is greater than maximum reach. Let's say we are at currently at maximum reach we have 0. Uh, uh, and here is I would be 0. So 0 is greater than 0. This is true. No, this is not true. So we will not return false. We will return true. And at next we will, let's say we have maximum reach is 2 uh, at zeroth index, and we are at index 1 in next iteration. So 1 is greater than 2, it is also false, so we will return true. And next we are have 2, so we have now maximum reach is 2 plus 1 3, and we are also at index 4, so this is false, so we will return false. Now if this maximum reach, we will update the maximum reach with max of maximum reach, comma I plus nums of I, and then ultimately we will return true. Let's check the test case for this problem. So you can see our test case has accepted. Now I am going to submit this problem. So you can see our solution has submitted and it is also accepted. So this is very easy problem, and this test our greedy, that how much we can know the iteration. And okay, I hope you will understand the problem. You must have to write the code with yourself, and make sure you will try run this problem on copy with copy and pen, proper physical. So thank you for watching this video. Thanks.